Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, in today's video, we are doing another full brand review. However, I'm cheating a little bit because this is a super expensive product line. And so instead of buying all the products, which I normally would do when I do a full brand review, I've done a select edit of the products, the ones the best selling and the ones that you guys are most likely to come into contact with, so I can give a review and give a flavour of the brand overall. Today we are looking at NIOD, owned by Deciem, the parent company of The Ordinary, but a very, very different product line. The Ordinary, known for their one key active ingredient per product approach, their basic marketing, their basic packaging, and their drugstore bargain basement prices. We love them for that. NIOD comes from a very different price point. This is not, I wouldn't say it's super luxury expensive, but it's certainly not The Ordinary pricing. They really go for a bioscience approach to ingredients. They take what is a standard ingredient in skincare and they supercharge it and turn it into the best possible formulation going to deliver maximum benefits. You pay a little bit extra for that, but I think, you know, their branding is very much aimed at not the beginner. They actually say this is not a line for skincare beginners. This is someone who knows what they want to target, and is willing to pay a little bit extra for supercharged results. And I think there's definitely a market out there for this. I am one of them. I'm going to break it down as much as possible because they are a science overload. Honestly, if you check their website, it's like a baffling array of terminology and science. I understand the bits behind it, but for the average consumer that goes to look at that, it can be just mind-blowing. As with The Ordinary, they're totally cruelty-free, which is absolutely fantastic. They minimise colorants and fragrances in all their products, which is, again, is a huge plus and something we should all be celebrating. But they also have a, again, The Ordinary do this, they have a user's manual online. So if you feel a little bit baffled and a little bit intimidated by this brand, go and have a look at their user guide and their manual. I still think they could be a little bit more accessible, but hopefully I'll fill that gap and help you guys out today. I've picked out their 3 standout products. These are some of the best-selling products from their product line, some of what I call the core products. They have some very super niche products which are only going to be applicable to a very select few people. Obviously, I want to be as broad as possible on this channel and review things that you guys are going to be able to use, or the maximum number of people are going to be used. So I've chosen a select edit based on the best sellers and the most accessible products which are going to benefit the most people. And I'm going to start off with what is their best-selling product. It is called Pigment. This product, I mean, we're starting on a high here. I like to sort of talk about the product and then say, I can't. This product is game-changingly amazing. I've talked on this channel about my issues with pigmentation. I tend to get acne, breakouts, flare-ups, and they take a long time to go and often leave pigmentation and marking behind. It's perfectly normal, not something to worry about. It's just the skin's natural defense against damage and irritation. Produces melanin to protect from the sun. That darkens the area of skin, which is where you get areas of pigmentation, patchiness, hyperpigmentation if you're really unfortunate. I have always raved about using the Deciem dark spot corrector gel. That has, honestly, since that came on the market, has really just changed the game completely. It's fantastic, packed full of hydroquinone, which is the best lightening agent. When I talk about lightening, I'm not talking whitening, very different. I'm talking lightening and removing those areas of pigment that irritate us all and that can be quite difficult. I think pigmentation is one of the hardest things to tackle in a skin. This product, this beats the Deciem gel. I never thought I'd say that. I never thought I'd find a product which actually beats the Deciem Dark Spot Corrector, which is prescription strength, supercharged, amazing pigment corrector. This product delivers it. It is absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to talk through how it works. It's very complicated, so I have got my notes. Very complicated, but I'll try and make it as easy as possible. First off, it goes on like a very clear solution like that. It's not greasy at all, which I love because I don't do comedogenic and I don't do greasy. There's no fragrance, which is absolutely fantastic, and it just disappears into the skin. You use it as a targeted pigment correcting serum. You can use it all over the face if you have general widespread pigmentation issues, but perfect for just doing that spot treatment. Why it works? Well, it is a multi-pathway brightening system. What that means is instead of just attacking it with one product, which the Deciem Dark Spot Corrector does, it works to break up the pigment, which is how the hydroquinone will work. It has a multi-pronged attack, which I absolutely love. It's pH balanced, so all of their products are balanced to match the pH of the skin. We're really getting on board at the moment with the acid mantle and understanding how the skin needs to be acidic to prevent the proliferation of bad bacteria, which is like an alkaline environment. It's designed, our skin is designed to be around the 5.5 on the pH scale. It is acidic and should remain acidic. This is an acidic product, which is great, and it matches and complements the acidity of our skin, which I absolutely love. So it's got a couple of key ingredients here which make it stand out. The price point, it's £50, $65 for 30ml. That will last you about a month and 2 months if you're using it as a spot-on treatment. If you're using it more widespread, probably a month. That's quite expensive, but I don't think it's expensive for the quality of the formulation. I'm going to explain why I think it's justified. So first of all, they have digiglucosylgallic gallic acid. This is an ingredient which is you're not going to find this in anywhere. I think this is the whole point of the NIOD line. You're not going to be able to walk into a drugstore and find these ingredients on the shelf and get it cheaper anywhere else. If you want this ingredient, you have to buy this product. And I think this is where their unique selling point comes. This is 60 times more powerful than kojic acid, which is one of my favourite skin brighteners, removing pigment and brightening the complexion of the skin. If you use this as an all-over treatment, your skin will be glowing to the gods within about 2 weeks. It is that strong and that powerful. If you want to use it as a spot treatment to correct areas of pigmentation and just even out the skin tone, again, you're going to see results in about 3 weeks. I've been using this for 2 weeks, and the pigmentation issues that I have here on my skin are about 50% corrected. That is phenomenally difficult to achieve with any product, and I have been overwhelmed with how fantastic this product is. It's also got acetylglycol, which has a minute molecule size. So it's another thing, if they look at the molecule sizes of their formulations to make sure every ingredient they put in, they get the smallest molecule size possible, which means the deepest level of penetration, the quickest and most efficient way of delivering the product, which is absolutely fantastic. This level of pharmacy, biology, chemistry, the work that goes into creating these is not cheap. And so I actually think the £50 price tag is justified. This product is gorgeous. If you don't mind paying the price for it, it will remove that pigment from the skin and even out your skin tone like no other product. And honestly, it is definitely worth the investment. I'm going to use this bottle up, then I'm going to repurchase. I've recommended it to some other friends who have bit the bullet, spent the money and bought it, and I'll be really interested to see how amazed they are with the product as well. I absolutely love it, and honestly, if pigmentation is your issue and it is so hard to correct, I know, I live with it, you need to go out and buy this product. And I very rarely say that. This product is game changing and will honestly change your skin like that. Now, if you are very sensitive, I will be careful because again, with the acidity and with the different elements, it does have a very small molecular size, which means it will be going down into the skin and doing its work. So be careful if you're sensitive, but for everyone else, this is a dream product. It's vegan, which is great for people living a plant-based lifestyle. It's not water and oil free. That doesn't bother me because it's non-comedogenic and it didn't irritate my skin, but that's something to bear in mind if that is something that concerns you. But again, very clear on the website so you can know exactly what you're buying. Then we're also, just as a side to this, they love their natural extracts in this line, which I love as well. If you can harness the power of nature and put it in a skincare product, why wouldn't we? Now, everything has to be chemical. You can get natural components, and this has got shiitake mushroom extract, which is also a proven brightening agent. So it's just packed full of every good ingredient, and there's no crap in this formulation whatsoever. There's no bulking agents. There's no nasties that you just want to get rid of. Yes, you pay the price for it, but I think in this case, absolutely worth it. Now we're going on to another product which I love. I very recently came to hyaluronic acid. It's because I tried the Ordinary, which is owned by the same company, and I hated it. It peeled, it didn't sit on my skin. I don't think it did anything. I found the Inculist. I loved it. I thought it was really good as a light hydrator, but I never saw the need for it because I don't have dry skin. I don't need that extra hydration. But their second best-selling product is the Multi-Molecular Hyaluronic Complex. Vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, and colorant-free. So all the good things you want. 30 mils is £38. That is a lot for hyaluronic acid. I mean, the Inculist one is about £6, I think, for equivalent amount of product. So it's very expensive. But this is not hyaluronic acid. This is not some boring, bog-standard, off-the-counter hyaluronic acid. This has 15 different hyaluronic compounds that sit within it, all with a different mechanism of action and a different way of providing that hydration to the skin. Honestly, I used this product, it went in. I will be honest with you from the start, I don't think it sinks in as well as the Inculist hyaluronic acid. But I don't care, because do you know what? The results were sensational. You put this on your skin and the level of bounce and hydration you get, your skin feels plump within about 30 seconds of using it. The hydration levels are through the roof. I didn't need to use a moisturizer on this day because I had the hydration I needed from this product. It's quite thick, so I put it on as your last serum and then put your SPF on top. I honestly was gagged with how good this product is. Yes, it's expensive, but if you have dry skin and you are struggling to get the hydration in your skin you need, just go out and buy it. Just don't even think about it. Go out and buy it, because all that money you're spending on expensive moisturizers is going to do nothing, absolutely nothing compared to what this can deliver. It's got a fantastic, I think what makes it worth the £38 is it's got a peptide delivery method. So instead of it just being in its normal form, hyaluronic acid, slap it on, it's transported within the skin using peptides, which are fantastic because not only do they also hydrate, but they also act as triggers for the production and the support in delivering the trace elements and things you need to produce collagen. So the more peptides you have in the skin, the more your body is able to produce collagen, which gives it that bouncy, elastic skin we all crave. So this is like a double whammy. The delivery method is also going to help with anti-aging and hydration beyond the hydration you're going to get from the product. And this is where I'm trying to get across that this brand isn't just offering you off-the-counter skincare. This has a price tag, which is expensive because of the way it's been formulated and the additionality of benefit you get from using every single one of these products. I love this, and I was blown away. This was so confusing. This was baffling even to me when I was looking at this website. And I was going into this review thinking, I'm just not going to like these products. I'm a drugstore to my core. This is too expensive. What's it going to deliver? Genuine game-changing products. I rarely say that. Now the third and final, and they have like 40 different products I think, but some of them are very niche, and I could have spent £4,000 probably buying all of them. I'm not willing. I'll do a lot for this channel. I'm not doing that. So the third and final one that I reviewed was the Low Viscosity Cleansing Ester. Now, a lot of people think, is this just a micellar water? Is this just an oil-based cleanser? Yes. But there are oil-based cleansers, and then there's oil-based cleansers. And this is, you get a lot of products. You get the same amount as if anyone's using 7% toning solution by the ordinary. It's exactly the same bottle and exactly the same amount you get into it. So that's sort of as a comparison. It's £30. That's not a bad price point for this amount of cleanser. Probably last a month if you're using it twice a day, maybe a month and a half if you just use it in the evening like I do. I love this. So the low viscosity means it goes on like a water. It feels like a water. It goes like a micellar water, and yes, slightly oily water, like a micellar water, and it doesn't go on really thick and heavy. So for people like me that have oily skin, this is a great oil cleanser. I loved it. It says one swipe and the makeup, the dirt, the debris, all the SPF, that whatever you're wearing is gone. I hate claims like these because what product doesn't claim to do that? And none of them do. This is why we all get obsessed with second cleansing and double cleansing, because the first cleanser doesn't work properly, or because we think we need the extra. This genuinely, one swipe and you're done. I honestly was amazed, and I tried it out on a couple of friends that wear quite heavy makeup, and yeah, it worked. It genuinely worked. It comes down to the small molecular structure which allows it to get within the skin and work deeper and quicker, which is fantastic. It's got the esters come from avocado and sugar, so it is vegan again, which is fantastic, but they come from avocado and sugar. It's just beautifully formulated to deliver the best possible level of cleansing. Doesn't leave your skin dry. And where I think this is worth the £30 price point is again that additionality of benefits. So not only does it get rid of all of that stuff on your skin that you don't want and prep the skin for the next step, also leaves behind the esters which will act as delivery mechanisms for your future skincare that you apply. So what's left behind is going to aid the future skincare which you apply going deeper into the skin and working better. I mean, speechless, genuinely speechless. I don't buy into gimmickry that much. All of the scientific papers and review documents and testing behind all these products are available online, so they're fully transparent. That is a game-changing product. All three products which I bought and tested are 10 out of 10, and obviously I haven't tested the whole line, but if that is reflective of the whole line, go out and buy it. I just, it's rare that I find a brand I love this much. This is game changing. Their repigmentation. Honestly, I'm going to buy this time and time again. Do I need the cleanser? No. Did I love it? Yes. Do I need it? No. I think it's a nice to have. I don't think you need to spend £30 on a cleanser if you don't want. The hyaluronic acid, again, is a nice to have. I think if you've got the money, you've got £38 to spend on hyaluronic acid, you won't look back and you will love that more than anything. That repigment, if you have a pigmentation product, you need this in your life. It's fantastic. I raved about it and I stick by it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I doubt many of you have tried this line. I'd love to know if you have, what your favourites are, if I missed any real standout products. But overall, I'd say the pros of this is that formulation. The amount of effort and science that goes behind this formulation is unparalleled. I don't know any other company that puts this amount of thought into the formulation and the delivery mechanisms of each and every one of their products. Not one of their products is a crap, oh, I think people might buy that, let's just put it out there to get some more coin product. All of them are beautifully thought through and formulated. I love them. They work. Honestly, like, they delivered within the 2 weeks that I tried these products, and that is quite difficult to achieve in skincare, and they worked, and I loved them. They're fragrance free, they're cruelty free, they're colorant free, all huge ding 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 big ticks for me. I think they're absolutely fantastic. If I was to look for a con, baffling and bewildering will probably come to mind. You go onto their website, you haven't got a prayer of reading through. You have to read through so much and work out what you want. This is why I think some of the reviews on YouTube are really good at breaking that down. So if you are thinking of buying other products that I haven't covered today, just Google it or YouTube it, and there will be a review of it, and that will hopefully help break down some of that. They have a user manual. I'm not sold on it. I don't think it's the most user-friendly user manual. That would be only my criticism. I'm not criticising the price, because do you know what? If you want this quality, you have to pay for it. Somebody has paid endless amounts of scientific hours to develop these products, and I think we're just gonna have to bite the bullet and pay for it. So the price I have no issue with. I wish it was slightly easier to understand, but again, they're not. It comes with the fact that they're not treating us like kids and putting out a load of fake marketing that people say, you know, life changing, brightening this. They throw all these things out. They're not. They're putting it out there for you to judge yourself. They don't pretend to be for beginners. They pretend to be the more established skincare junkie, and that's what they deliver. Honestly, a fantastic brand. If you haven't checked them out, I beg you to go on their website and check them out. They haven't paid me to sponsor this. I wish. If you're out there and you want it, Deciem, and you want me to try all these products, send me them all and I'll try them all, and I will rave about them if they're as good as the 3 that I've tried. But honestly, this is totally unsponsored. I just love this brand so much. So promise me you'll check them out if you haven't already. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. And were you as bewildered as me? I don't mind. Have you tried any of their products? Let me know. Wherever you are in the world, guys, I hope you'll give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.